If someone's in the devastating position where they have been cut off from their children, what can they do for the absolute best chance of seeing them again?
Well, every case is different. Every case is different, but in the simplest scenario, then and there are no orders in place at all, then the best thing to do is contact the community law centre and ask them to help you out with that, and they would form an application form for contact. You'd have to start the process. There's no way around it. You can ask all you want, email all you want, or can I see the children, and then just hope like hell that you'll get to see the children. But even then, it may be just whenever they feel like it. Well, that's just not good enough. How are you going to parent? How can you develop a relationship with the children under those sort of conditions? So you would have to make an application into court. So that's where, as I say, community law centres, or if you you don't qualify for legal aid and you have to do this on your own, then just call the courts up, 0800 courts, and just ask them, could you please email me the application form for a new parenting order, and it's give me your email address, and it'll turn up in your inbox, a few minutes later, and then you can just try and work out how to fill it in, and you can even call them; they will help you out. They might help you out. The court registers. If you turn up there, they might help you out filling it in, or they'll probably say go to a community law centre, and you can do that as well. But they're not that hard to do. But it's really, really important to get the process going. The sooner you start, the sooner you get to the end. And obviously, the other parent will say, "Oh, now you're just taking us to court." I said, "Well, I had no option. We want to. I want to be involved with the children's lives. I know I'm a good role model for them. I'm a positive experience in their lives, so I want to be there. So I'm making an application, and this is what I'm asking for. And if you don't want to agree to that, then we're just going to have to carry on through the courts. But it's always good to offer first. Email the other partner or the other parent to settle the matter privately. Ain't going to happen. Well, let's go. Then the next process is the FDR, Family Disputes Resolution. That's the mediators. And if that falls over, then you've got to go through the court process.